Well, first we are creating the business requirement, as we said. So let's create a new one. And the task is, as we mentioned, to set up a new office location. In the business requirement, we are going to select the customer. This will be Great Trade since it's an internal project. And we can also define this here, type of project, internal one. So the stakeholder is also Great Trade Limited. We can assign categories like office here, for example. And we can also have a story created here that we know what we need to do. And there are also more additional options like defining scenarios, defining gap analysis, use cases, test scenarios. So this is really a possibility to structure and plan your full project. And there are also tasks available. So what we do next is we plan some tasks we need to take to have everything working for us in the new location.
So this would be a great tool for a service company anyways. I mean, if you have your internal as well as your customer projects planned with that, using the business requirement planning with it, you really get a project planning tool, right?
Absolutely. So you can, of course, this was not designed for internal projects. It's really for customer projects as well. So you can define the tasks there. You can do the estimation like we see here. And this will also sum up the hours. You can print your estimates, which will also include the defined scenarios with the gaps. So this will also create a PDF file, which is having all the information included and which can be sent to the customer, of course.
Okay.
So let's add some more. Let's add some more tasks here. So for example, review supplier and purchase for furniture. Then we can define a coding section and define the time we're going to use, what we're planning for this one. Once we purchase them, we need to also plan for the mounting in the new location. This is also part of the furniture section. This won't take very long for us to agree an appointment. Once this is done, we need to take care about the network. So we're going to review the offerings of the network, and we also have to place the order for that.
Sounds like a familiar thing, yeah.
Sorry, didn't get it.
I said, it looks like a familiar thing. I've got a customer who just moved and they are taking the same steps.
Well, and once the network is available, we also need to check if it's really working in the new location. And once everything is there, of course, we need to introduce the employees to the new location there. So let's save this. So we have a few tasks here. It's not that complicated, but it's good for a demonstration, I think. As you can see, the estimated hours are summed up already. And since we have everything there, what we want to have, we can confirm the business requirement. By confirming the business requirement, the project is created accordingly, as you can see, and we can navigate to the tasks directly. So here are the tasks according the business requirement we just created. And for the demonstration, we already prepared another business requirement since we set it up some additional values there already to show dependencies, to show timelines, and that we're going to show you here. So this is what we prepared. You can see different stages, project stages there. And you can also see dependencies to other tasks as well as start and end dates. What we also can see here on the timeline view is what the dependencies are. We can see it on a coding timeline, and you see what is required next and what's the status of the current tasks already. So let's get back to the tasks. And what we're going to do now is internal meetings. So we want to keep everything, everyone included in the project up to date. So therefore, we are going to create an activity here. So let's say we are setting up a call to update everyone on the progress internally. And yeah, well, let's do this on starting today. And we're going to set up a call every week. So let's create a recurring one. And we will do this on Thursdays and up till the end of the project. So let's say we want to have everything done till 6th of November. So let's schedule. Well, and as you can see here, all recurring activities are created and with according details when it will take place, who's assigned to that task, and so on. So that's a real easy way to plan and schedule your activities there.
Hey, cool. So this is really on the fly, all the activities at once.